Hey everyone, if you've been following my channel and you've been watching my videos, you know that I just got these Fostech headphones and that review is coming soon. But when I first got these, when I was playing it with my LG V30 or V35, that I wasn't getting the full, I felt like I didn't get the full sound or like loudness. They weren't getting as loud as I wanted them to get. Not to say that I like listening to really loud music, but they just didn't have the oomph, the loud, like just the. I felt like they weren't driven hard enough, so I bought this Amplifier amplifier for these headphones, and it's been going great with these with this amplifier. And that review is coming soon. With the amplifier and the my high-res digital audio player, this Pioneer, that just brought out the sound even more. But I said in a previous video with this video, the one on the Empire, that I was planning on also getting another amplifier for it. And based off of what I watched, I was watching a Z Reviews channel, and he has the T50 version of these headphones, and he was driving those headphones, his modded version, with this amplifier. So this is what we're gonna look at today and unbox. So this is the Monoprice Monolith portable headphone amplifier and DAC with THX AAA technology right there. So if you guys never heard of THX, THX is mostly deal with software, or like, yeah, software research and coding. The THX AAA is their first, I guess you could say, hardware. It's a AMP chip that is designed to deliver like the cleanest, clearest, most transparent, least distorted sound that you can get in an amplifier. And that's what that AAA stands for, achromatic audio amplifier. So the chip, the AMP chip, is supposed to try to give you the cleanest, least distorted, most clearest, transparent sound that you can get in a headphone. So if you guys never heard of Monoprice, they started in 2002, 2003, right here in Southern California. Their headquarters here in Southern California, in Rancho Cucamonga. And I remember back then, they were the company that were competing with Monster cables and everything. I remember their stereo cables and stuff like that. But anyways, let's look at the box. Right up top, you have the Monolith name, portable headphone amplifier and DAC with TH AAA technology. You got a picture of the amplifier. You got THX right here, and D-Rack name right here. The D-Rack is, I believe, the software, like it's a software program or encoding that really opens up the soundstage by D-Rack Technologies, I believe. So right here on the right, you just have the name again, portable headphone amplifier. Same thing on the left. Up top is nothing. You just got the Monoprice website name right there up top, and bottom nothing. So on the back it just says Monolith, and it's got all your FCC labels and symbols. You got your serial number. So let's open this up. There we go. I don't think I have to open up the other side, do I? Man, this thing is another tight. Ooh, I don't want to tear this box. It's tight. There you go. All right. Okay, so inside this outer layer box is like another box, and with the Monoprice logo right here, plain black box. What is this? And right here on the corner it says portable DAC amp, and that's it for that. Opening this up. Okay. What do we have? We have a thank you card. So this is probably like a registration card maybe. Get this Monolith by Monoprice manual, but I've already read the manual somewhat. I downloaded the PDF version, so I don't think I'll need that, but it's good that they have it. And then this is the DAC amp right here, and it's covered in this nice soft like velvety carrying bag. That's pretty nice. They give you a carrying bag. If you guys haven't seen my other videos, I've been using the headphone adapter bag that came with Geekria, and this is a nice bag that I've been using to carry my MP3 player and the other DAC amp. And then what else do we get? The charging cable, which looks like a micro USB charging cable. Man, we have so many of these. I don't know if I even need this one. The charging cable and the charging plug right there. And that's about it. So that sucks. So this amplifier, it was like $99 with the 5% coupon. And what it came with in the box was all of this. You get this cable right here, the 3.5 connector. You get a charging cable and OTG connector, and you get a rubber band. So you can, put the rubber band to wrap around like your player or your phone and the amp at the same time to hold them together. And this Monoprice amplifier did not come with anything to get you started, so they're assuming that you already have this, which is a good thing that I already do. I was kind of anticipating that because I read a review, or I saw a review that said they didn't include the necessary cables for to get started, using the amp listening part, this part and the other one. So this is I forgot to mention in the beginning, is like a $300 amplifier from Monoprice. You can get it for like $299. I believe you can get it a little cheaper, like at B&H Photo. Amazon didn't have it, unfortunately. And I got this one. I ordered it off Target because Target has the Affirm, where you can make monthly installments or monthly payments. So that's the one that I got. I got it off of Target, but they charge you a little extra. I think the guy got charged $40 extra on top of the $299 for the financing, so I can make it in monthly installments. But anyways, yeah. So all they included was, I like this nice carrying bag. You get your, charging cable and the charging brick, but none of the other cables to get you started listening. So it's a good thing I got this. And I also ordered some other ones on Amazon, so those should be coming in soon. For $300, come on, Monoprice, you could have at least added those other cables too. Anyways, so let's look at the actual amplifier. And the box was pretty heavy for a small box, and this amplifier has some pretty good weight to it. It feels premium, so it feels like you paid some good money for this amplifier, put it that way. So here in the front, it's like a brushed metal. It's got the display, and the good thing with this display is that it actually shows you the volume level and all the other controls and everything. This one right here also has a display, but when you turn it on, all it shows is that Empire logo and nothing else. It would have been nice to show the actual volume, and if you're using bass up or not, and if you're using high or low gain on that display, if it would show it, but it doesn't. This one does. I think it does. It shows everything. And let's just walk through a little bit more. So right here on the bottom is your Monolith logo. Going to the bottom, we have two micro USB ports, one for charging and one for that USB OTG connection, which is, you know, another way of hooking your phone or your laptop or computer to this DAC amp to, you know, get sound. Right here on the left hand side, you have your THX branding and DRAC. Right here in the back is something a little different, whereas this one is all metal all around except for the plastic on the display right here. This one has like this fake, or is it real? Feels like leather on the back, which is pretty nice because most of the times you're going to be laying this adapter flat like that right on its back, right? So this part right here being like a sort of leather material means it won't get scratched up like this one could. Has the potential to get scratched up. When I use this DAC with my V30, see how this V30 has this metal ring right here, headstand, kickstand. I don't want to put this and this definitely against this or this if I was using that rubber band that they have that came with this. But now if I have this, it doesn't really matter, right? Because it's not going to get scratched up either way. So this is almost the same size as the V35, as you can see right here. Almost the same size as the V35. So it's almost the size of a smartphone. And so up top here is your line out connections and your headphone port. And they're both 3.5. There's no balance port, which again, if you're paying over $300 or $300, I thought you would get that. Is there a plastic screen protector on the display? I don't think so. So the display is as is. It feels like it's, I'm gonna say it feels like glass, but it could be plastic, and I'm not gonna, you know, try to touch on any more on that part. So right here on the right hand side, you have your buttons for menu and back. And what is this? Looks like up and down menus, volume up and down. Is that what that is? And then enter. So these are, I think, for the navigations. These are navigation buttons for your menu and all the other stuff, all your features on this DAC. Should we turn it on? See if there's any juice. So there is some power. And as soon as you turn it on, it says Monolith right there. And then there you are. You're at level minus 37 dB line. And look, that must be for battery. And you got a full battery. This one was only partially charged, and I had to charge it. So this is out of the box. It's got a full battery. That's pretty good. And so that's pretty much it. This is just the unboxing. I'm gonna do the full review coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I want to compare the sound of this compared to this AMP-DAC right here. So $300 versus $100 DAC. What's the sound differences? What about the features? I want to do that. I want to pair it with this my Pioneer high-res digital audio player, my LG smartphone, and also my Galaxy Note 10 Plus that I'm recording with right now, with the with this thing right here, this headphone adapter, DAC amp headphone adapter. So that's all coming soon. Stay tuned for the review on my Fostex headphones and also this DAC amp. I did manage to get the Monoprice amp and my Pioneer digital high-res digital audio player inside the Monoprice carrying bag, but it was a really tight fit, as you can see. It looks like a I was like, I'm stretching out the seams right here, so I'm probably not going to keep them in there like that. But I just wanted to see if it would fit, and it did, even though it's a tight fit. So that was our unboxing of this Monoprice Monolith portable headphone amplifier and DAC with THX AAA technology and DRAC sound. So what do you get in the box? You get the actual amplifier itself, portable amplifier. You get an instruction manual. You get the charging brick, the charging cable. You get a pretty nice carrying bag. You get a thank you card, and that's about it. I mean, but for $300, they should have at least included the 3.5 to 3.5 connector for $300. Come on, man. This is only $99, and it came with more cables. And these little things right here, the ones that I ordered on Amazon, was a 2-pair for like $7. So it would have probably been cost them less than $5 to just include that in the package for what you're getting. So it's a little lacking in that sense, like, because if you, let's say you did not have another amplifier to go to, so you're gonna have to go to Amazon and spend another $5 to $10 to buy one of these 3.5 to 3.5 connector or cable. But other than that, this player, I mean, it looks really premium. Like I said, it's got that brushed metal look here in the front, and then that, you know, leather back looks real nice. I will put a link for this from Monoprice's website if you guys need more info ahead of the review. And I'll probably put a link for Z Review's channel, because he was the one that got me interested in this portable headphone amplifier slash DAC. He was testing like a bunch of different headphone amplifiers and DACs, and this is the one that he liked the best. But that is it for now. Stay tuned for the full review. If you guys got any value from this video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Until next time, everyone, thank you guys all for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we will see you soon for another video. Have a great day.